Hello, hello. Thank you for joining me this week. It's time for the weekly uplift. I'm Becky Songa, and I'll be your host for this guided healing session today. For those of you who aren't familiar with me, I work as an energy intuitive, a holistic and shamanic practitioner, and a healing code artist. I've taken a bit of time off from this weekly broadcast during the summer months as I've had kids that were transitioning in and out of my house. And I had quite a busy summer with hosting weekly private pottery workshops for folks. I've also had monthly 2-day pottery intensives and, of course, offering individual energy healing sessions. So I'm super excited to be back and even more excited to announce that I'm hosting a Women's Wellness Nature Retreat, October 18th through the 20th. All of the information is on my website, so check that out. And you can find the schedule as well as the opportunity to register right there. So I want to begin today's session with a guided meditation, really tap into source energy to reveal healing messages and energies that we can bring forward and channel into our week. So I'll invite you to go ahead and find your seat. It could be on a meditation cushion or a chair or the ground. You could even be lying down or standing up if that will help you. Just remember to keep the central channel open so that you can take deep breaths all the way into your pelvic floor. Depending on what is comfortable for you, you can close your eyes or simply soften your focus and relax your eyelids. So let's take a moment to become very present with each other right here. Just notice the surface that you're sitting on or lying on. Is it hard or soft? Cool or warm? We're going to begin our journey to source energy where we can receive healing and intuitive messages and guidance from Great Spirit. We're going to begin by taking 3 deep breaths, and with each in-breath, we will hook any negative tension that we might be feeling, whether it's physical, mental, or emotional. And then with each out-breath, letting it go. Breathing in, hook any tension, and with the out-breath, let go. Again, hook any tension, and with the out-breath, let it go. And one more time, breathe in, and hooking any tension, let it go. Now just focus on the breath going in and out, not trying to control it. Just allow your awareness to follow it. And on the next in-breath, follow the in-breath into the body. Just notice where you are. What does it feel like? Warm? Cold? Is there a texture? Is it light or dark? Just notice, no judgment. Now turn your focus to the tissues in the area where your consciousness resides. Notice they're made of millions, if not billions, of cells, and move your awareness inside a cell body. Once inside the cell, notice all of the subcellular particles, molecules, and use your awareness to enter. Notice the space. As we move into smaller and smaller particles, the space becomes bigger, until that is all that is left, spaciousness. This is where source energy, creation energy resides. Sit here for just a few seconds and let this energy completely wash over and through you. Feeling open. Very good. This energy stimulates the healing blueprint, if you will, of each cell in your body, reminding each their full potential for energy and healing. Feeling a lot of opening, so continue to tap into this source energy, and I will do some intuitive healing. For some of you joining, I can feel that there has been a concerning lack of energy this week, maybe presenting as lack of motivation to get things started or low energy when you are performing tasks. Maybe you're becoming exhausted and needing or wanting more sleep or naps. This has been a common complaint, if you will, for many of my clients lately as well. So I feel like it's a good time for us to really tap into this source energy. Because for some, this feeling of lack of energy has been so profound, you may even feel cut off from source energy or your true self. And that can lead to intense feelings of disconnect, loneliness, and a lack of will and confidence in your own creativity. So here in source energy, we remember that we're never really cut off from our Creator. We are one. The feeling of being left alone in the world is from lack of tapping into the source energy and remembering and renewing our relationship. Rest here in source energy and soak it up. Let it fill every nook and cranny, every orifice. Feel the energy of, also known as love, the source, the energy from which everything was created. It's a tremendous amount of energy and love, and it's constantly flowing and being recycled, recharging every molecule on the planet. See the energy really flowing around the group. A lot of light coming in. I feel a lot of crown chakra, third eye chakra, and heart chakra opening. So let healing source energy really flow through those energy centers. Those energy centers being open support you in the awareness that you are never alone. You'll also feel your intuitive and creative energies. And you may feel inspired to create in playfulness to support them and rejuvenate your relationship with Source. You know, we're all constantly creating, making meals, writing emails and texts, creating challenges, and creating their solutions. But taking time out to create playfully is imperative to have the motivation and energy to create what is necessary for employment and sustainability. We're going to begin now to journey back from source energy. And as we do, you'll continue to feel the connection and the healing energy. You will arise from this meditative healing feeling energized, fresh, and renewed. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back into the center. And let's do a brief chakra scan. We'll start at the root chakra, your pelvic region. Just sense here if there's flow or if there is stickiness, any shadows. And if you sense some stickiness or darkness, channel source energy here with Now let's move our awareness up to the sacral chakra, just a few inches below the navel. What's the feeling here? Is there flow? And again, if you feel a stickiness or sense spots of negative energy, channel the source energy that you are always connected into the chakra. Let it move in and out with the breath until you feel the energy. Good. Good. That's really good. Now raising your awareness into the solar plexus just a bit above the navel. What do you sense here? This is known as the powerhouse center and the chakra most noted for energy. However, Great Spirit wants you to know that your struggle with energy this week and at this time, it comes more from the lack of attunement of the crown and the third eye chakra to the heart chakra. So check in here with the energy of the solar plexus. Is it flowing? If not, again, use your breath to send source energy to the chakra and wake it up. This may take a few moments, so just be patient and lovingly anoint the energy center with source energy. That's it. Let it flow and glow. It might be fun to notice any light and color as you continue to send source energy with the breath to the solar plexus area. Now let's shift our attention to the heart chakra area, the center of your chest. Let's first just take a moment to send the energy of gratitude here, thanking our hearts and lungs and all of our organs for the miraculous work they carry out each moment of each day for each of us. Because Great Spirit has indicated that the heart chakra, the third eye, and the crown chakras need to be reharmonized together. We will use our imaginations and our skill as visionaries to connect the three chakras now as we send source energy circulating between them. Visualize the flow and continue to expand the light and energy of source. Connect the crown, the third eye, and the heart chakra. It's a lack of confidence that allows us to believe that we're disconnected and alone. And these feelings lead to a lack of energy and motivation. So let's take this time to send source energy, love energy, to these 3 energy centers. I am seeing so much color as you are doing this beautiful work. Now lastly, let's move our attention up to our throat chakra. Move your focus to the areas of your neck and the back of your mouth. And notice here what the energy is like. Flowing? Or is there stickiness? With the breath, direct source energy to this area and let it expand and contract. Expand, contract. Notice this week how much you tell yourself you are tired, exhausted, or lack energy. Continue to practice connecting with Source during small moments of your day and directing Source energy into these chakra areas, the crown, the third eye, and the heart. Really connect. Now, let's take 3 deep breaths to incorporate source energy into every cell, to all the spaces of the body and the aura. Now, open your eyes, wiggle your fingers and your toes, and move your awareness back to the present moment. Welcome back. Just check in for a minute. How do you feel? This is a great practice that you can tap into any time during your week. And it's actually really best if you can practice as soon as you notice the feelings or thoughts of low energy or lack of confidence or creativity. A couple of tools that might help you this week. I have 3 crystals, an amethyst, the peridot, and the petersite. Each of these will help you to connect those chakra areas and really bring source energy into your day and into your week. Also, if you like fragrances, the fragrances of lavender and orange could help you and be both grounding and stimulating at the same time. So I want to thank you for joining me today and for taking such great care of you. You are worth it, and I'm glad that you're here. If I can assist you on your personal journey toward emerging well daily, please visit my website to book a one-on-one session. And don't forget to check out the details for the Women's Wellness Nature Retreat. It's going to be held at the Bailey's Resort on Palomar Mountain, October 18th through 20th. If you'd like to take this opportunity to escape the everyday, to experience healing and wildcrafting, connection with yourself, nature, and others, and to just have fun, then I really hope that you'll join us. So that's it for today, my friends. Until next time, take good care and goodbye for now.